So while we wait to get in line for the car wash, I want to start this video out by thanking my wife for allowing me to use her 4Runner so I can pick up Snow Badger from the chassis shop and also get the new S10. Also in this video is going to be different because you're getting a 2-for-1 video. You're getting 2 vehicles in 1 video, and I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go. Welcome back. The boys and I are on our way to Indiana to pick up this Chevy S10 pickup while we trade my motorcycle back there for it. And in this video, we get to see Snow Badger with the completed roll cage. Let's go! The good old Cloud Factory. So that's where it's at. Well, we're doing all right. Just pulled over to make sure it was still running, and because I want the bike to be charged. Because if you know, when you're transporting a motorcycle for the Harleys, if it's not, the fob's not close to it, the security goes off and battery dies. But we checked it, have it run, and we're good to go. And let's go ahead and check in on Randy because he's up picking up Snow Badger from the chassis shop. Oh, hey, yeah, don't mind me. I overslept my alarm, so yeah, now I'm leaving to go up to Thompson Racing Fabrication to get Snow Badger. Right back to you, Randy. Anybody else have a backseat driver? Yeah, he has to tell me everywhere to go. Well, dropped off the utility trailer, and now I got, it's probably hard to see, up there it is, the car trailer with my 2 companions here, and we're gonna go get the S10 truck, and then we're gonna make our way back home. And in the meantime, let's see how Randy's doing picking up Snow Badger. I'll have to pick up Snow Badger. A little late start because I slept in, but Randy has the boys, the dogs, and once again it is snowing. Wow. We go to the chassis shop to pick up Snow Badger. So let's go ahead and I'll meet you guys when we get there. We made it. Gonna whip around here and go in and talk to Ryan over here at TRF, and then we're gonna get Snow Badger loaded up. Let's go. Right, going right. There you go, straight. Keep coming. Oop. Oh. All right, keep going. Keep coming. Perfect. Awesome, thank you. We got Snow Badger all loaded up, as you saw, and I couldn't be any happier with the build. I will go more in depth with the cage on everything that Josh did, because Josh is the main one that welded this whole thing in, and he added extra stuff into it, like the bar right down there to help with the sill, and he also welded some plates and everything up top. But we'll go over that once I get home. But right now, we're gonna make our journey back home, and we're gonna get in the garage and we'll do a full look over on it. I want to thank both of these companies for helping me load up Snow Badger on the back of the trailer, but I also want to thank Josh for doing the entire custom roll cage for Snow Badger. Now that I picked up Snow Badger, let's go check in with Randy and see how his trip down to Indiana's doing to get that LS swapped S10. Well, guys, as you see back there, the deal has been made. We traded the motorcycle for that LS swap truck, and I'm excited. We are currently on our way home. The boys are back here laying down. They're exhausted. I'm getting tired of driving. But we got another 4-hour drive home, and then we will show you everything about it and give you a little sample of how it sounds.
Some note. TikTok and taxes under the overpass, sleeping in broken glass. We are not well. Are we not well? Cracked up into the wild. We're petty files for the American dream is killing me. The American dream is killing me. When it's all double talk of insanity.
Traded my motorcycle for a 1997 Chevy S10 pickup. It has a 5.3 LS swap in it, a Ford 8.8 rear end. It has turbo 350 transmission, does not have a trans brake at all. And it also has a 15-gallon fuel cell in the back. And this thing is awesome. So this truck has a Iron Block Gen 3 5.3 in it. It has a stage 2 cam that I don't know the brand of, a Holley intake, and a 750 CFM Brawler carburetor. And it also has nitrous on it on a wide open throttle switch. It is powered by the MSD LS Series 6014 MSD box, and it has the MSD nitrous progressor as well on it to control the nitrous, which now it goes from 3,000 RPMs all the way up to 6,500 RPMs is when the nitrous kicks on. And then once you're out of those RPMs, the nitrous goes off. The truck also has a 8.8 rear end in the back. It has a 15-gallon fuel cell, a ratcheting shifter, and a turbo 300 in it with these nice like Jag star wheels as well. Well, I know you guys have been dying to hear what it sounds like, so let's go ahead and start it up. everything. And on this side we have line lock, purge, and then this is to turn on the progressor. And I can turn it off. The thing is awesome, and I'm so glad I'm able to share this with you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoy this, because I'm going to try to make a lot of content with this and take this and go racing.